Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is September 12th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 2.25 points to 28.87.5 per contract. You can see that the futures around 4 in the morning were much higher, but they have rolled over, and right now they're trading right around that 28.87 area. So we'll see how today plays out. Again, markets had a decent rally yesterday. Volume was very, very light though, and we'll see what we get today. Now we have lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started right here. We're going to start the day off with Gilead Sciences, GILD. Right now that stock is trading decently higher. It's on the back of some positive phase 3 drug news. Stock right now is trading at 75.25, closed at 72.23. So good pop there for Gilead. We'll see if it can really get above that 76.25 level. That's really going to be the sticking point. Once it does that, it has room to go to 78. So Gilead on the move this morning. Next up, we're going to take a look at Nielsen. NLSN is the ticker symbol here. Stock is getting a nice little pop today. I did not really see the news on this, but again, it is trading a little bit higher. Closed at 26.38. Now trading at 27. Earlier it was at 27.50. So it is pulling in off the highs a little bit, but nonetheless, it is catching a decent little bid. We'll see if that has more room to run today. Let's take a look at Fiat Chrysler. FCAU is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 17.42, closed at 17.01. Looks like the company's reporting that they're going to sell a unit to KKR for about 6 billion euros. So again, nice pop there. We'll see if that has some more room to run. I think it does. Full disclosure, I do own call options in Fiat Chrysler. Next up, let's take a look at Tiffany. TIF looks like they were upgraded today. Stock is trading at 125.5, closed at 123.37. There's going to be a lot of resistance up here around these levels, but nonetheless, stock is up and we'll respect it at the moment, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at Chevron. CVX is the ticker symbol there. That stock is getting a nice little upgrade today, trading at 116.34. It's been beaten down, but nice little pop for Chevron. On the downgrade side, Micron getting downgraded by Goldman Sachs. Stock is trading at 41.59, closed at 43.60 yesterday. Full disclosure, I own call options in Micron, and I've just got those options yesterday, and today Goldman is downgrading them, so downgrading the stock. So we'll see how that plays out today. I think Micron has a lot of support down here around these levels. We'll see how it plays out today. Nothing in particular that I'm seeing, but there's a lot of support coming up around the $41 area. Next up, another downgrade, I believe, by Goldman Sachs, Lam Research, LRCX. Goldman has a way of downgrading stocks when they're already at lows. If you take a look at a daily chart of Lam Research, stock has been beaten down and pounded. Why didn't they downgrade it at 205? They're downgrading it right here at 155. So again, always be wary of that. Right now, when I see that, I'm actually looking at Lam Research as a potential buy area shortly. So again, I don't own this one, but this is one I would be getting interested in very soon. Next up, we want to take a look at Snapchat, SNAP. I believe this was downgraded today. This wasn't downgraded by Goldman, but nonetheless, it was still downgraded by somebody else. Stock is trading at 9.32, closed at 9.89. To be honest, there's nothing I would do with Snapchat. It's been trending lower for a long time now. Let's take a look at one more downgrade, NXPI. They came out with a dividend project yesterday. Stock right now is trading at 88.34, closed at 89.57. I've got a level for NXPI that I'll be interested in at some point. If it gets there today, I don't know if it will. It's still a bit lower, but I will let the members know in the intraday stock chat room. So again, that's one that I would be keeping on the radar because it is getting very close to a buy area, but it's just not there yet. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is trading down $2.40 to $1,199.80 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, which is a good ETF to track the movement in gold, you'll see that's trading at 113.10, closed at 113.22 yesterday. So gold down just a touch. That usually means that the dollar is up, but that is not the case this morning. The dollar is actually a touch lower this morning, trading at 95.09. Next up, we have crude oil. Crude oil up 78 cents to $70.03 a barrel. USO is a way to track crude oil, and this is trading at 14.72. Remember, we have a big hurricane entering the United States. It's going to hit probably in North and South Carolina soon, so that could disrupt some oil going into the Northeast, and we'll see how that plays out. But again, oil on the move due to the hurricane, and that is a pretty big move that crude has had yesterday and a continued move this morning. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. We'll be watching that closely. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. More winning trades yesterday. And again, we're going to keep on rolling, keep that going into the end of the year. So if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've had a great 2018. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.